Try to get me a glass of cold water. At the party, I dance and dance the whole night. You see, I can't leave the party at once. I have to dance with everybody who proposed to me. At last, the party is over. I'm very tired. Very, very tired. So I went home to tell Mama what happened. Mama, I'm home. It's very quiet. Mama, I'm home. Nobody answered. Where is she? I look for her in the sala, but she's not there. Where is she? Aha! In the kitchen, I saw my mama lying down on the floor, dead, with a glass on her hand. I remember she tried to get me. Oh God, just for a glass of cold water. Mama, Mama, oh Mama. A glass of cold water.
Thank you. Sabi na. May tanong ako sa iyo, anak na. Ito, wala akong pinaiyak. Ano gusto ko umuwi sa amin? Tapos bigyan ko ng glass of water ang aming mother. Oo, ayan, si Ma'am Del, si Ma'am Rosana, butik na rin na paiyak. Bibigyan daw niya ng birthday pa naman ng mami niya ngayon. Alam mo ba, nakatinig kami sa inyo, gano'n, no? Butik na kong mahal ko, ha? Oo, mami, I love you, no? Sabi ko, ha, halika ko na, ko talaga. Okay.